Hi, what's up? What's going on, WAXP Coin holders? So today I have something very special and very good update for all of you because WAX is completely go in the moon now. But you can see here, my friend, the last days, my friend, you can see here this coin were very badly fails down. But you can see, my friend, this time they will moving upward. So that's a very good news for all of you. But I hope they will all recover this all lost now minus 18.86% they were fails down. I hope this they will recover this loss now. Kindly holder, if you also want to get a profit in very short time, you will need my friends to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, Vex coin is absolutely every day will get a very good profit, but today my friend absolutely something very different and something very special. So Vex coin holder, please, if you want to get a profit, you will need to subscribe this channel. But my friend, everybody try to understand it. To win a coin will fails down, so does not mean, my friends, they will never stop. Please holder, try to understand, to if a coin were fails down, so this is mean, my friends, too. You will need to help us now. So Wix coin also like that, my friends. If they were fails down, so you will need to help us, and you will need, my friends, to hold, and you will need to invest more, so they will move upward. So I hope you will better understand. But please, if you want to get a profit in very short time, you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notifications. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.